Okay, Molly. I put you on your belly 3 times today, and 3 times you ended up on your back. So, now, we are going to do an experiment. Roll you over. And see what happens. Now, it's tummy time. Whoa. See what happens. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, you roll yourself right over. Congratulations! You're only 10 weeks old and you can roll over. I hope this does not indicate how it's going to go for the rest of your life. Although you did come 7 weeks early. Be afraid. Be very afraid, Mama. Is that what you're trying to tell me?